In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start Etsy Print on Demand, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear path from opening your Etsy shop to publishing your first print-on-demand products with zero inventory. First, head to Etsy and create a new account. You can set it up as personal or business, either is fine to start. Choose your country, currency, and shop language, and make sure your profile details are accurate so payouts and taxes work smoothly. Next, give your shop a catchy, niche-specific name, then brand it. Upload a simple banner, a clean shop icon, and write a concise bio that tells shoppers what you sell and who it's for. Keeping a focused niche helps buyers and Etsy's algorithm understand your shop. Before your shop is fully active, add your payment info and publish a quick dummy listing. This unlocks your storefront. In that listing, disclose your production partner, such as a print-on-demand provider, as Etsy requires transparency about where items are produced. You can set this listing to inactive later once your real products are ready. Now, sign up with a print-on-demand platform like Printify or Printful. Both let you design on a wide range of products and handle printing and shipping for you. Pick one that fits your budget, product range, and shipping locations. Inside your print-on-demand dashboard, look for Add New Store or Connect and link it to your Etsy shop. Approve the permissions so the platform can publish products and update order statuses automatically. Browse the product catalog and start designing. Choose proven items like tees, mugs, or tote bags and upload high-resolution artwork, typically transparent PNGs. Follow the print area guides and keep designs simple and readable. Always use artwork you own or have rights to. Use the platform's realistic mock-ups to show your products in the best light. Pick clean, lifestyle shots that match your niche and keep your style consistent across listings. If available, include size charts or care info in your images. When your product looks good, use the publish or push to store option to send it directly to Etsy. You can publish as a draft first, then double-check variants, prices, and your production partner details. Back on Etsy, refine your titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Think like your buyer and describe the product, niche, audience, and style. Choose the right category and attributes. Set processing times based on your provider and price with production, shipping, and fees in mind. Finally, market and sell. Share your listings on social platforms. Test Etsy ads with a small budget and respond quickly to messages. Deliver great customer service and let your print-on-demand partner handle the fulfillment while you focus on new designs.